Hey everybody, it's Paul. I'm back here today, Paul's day off. Is it really Paul's day off? Who knows? But I am free tonight. Just wanted to come out here tonight, talk to y'all a little about this right here. This is my first time actually trying it. I did open it off camera just because I see everybody struggle with this thing, and yeah, it was a struggle. All right, got a little Knob Creek 9. Um, I'm sure that a lot of people know it. It is 100 proof. Okay, it's not necessarily a bottled in bond, but is 100 proof. Like a lot of like bottled in bond is, not like some of them are. All of them are. Bottled in bond is 100, but it is 100 proof also. When I do a bottled in bond, I might just throw it in just to kind of mess with myself. But anyway, here we go. I'm just trying just this today. Picked it up. I thought, be a nice little thing to try out. Got it at a good price because I happened to find it at Costco. And, those of you that know or don't know, when you catch them at Costco or Sam's Club, you're going to see them at MSRP. That's why I love trying to find whiskeys at Costco because, whatever the price is supposed to be, that's what it's going to be. Instead of, hey, I'm not saying anything against the man that's trying to make a living. Okay. Mark it up a little bit because you can, because you got it, because somebody wants it. I'm all right with that. Not necessarily with guys who go, hey, I got a bottle of whatever Blanton's that's worth $200. MSRP is around 60, 70. Not that high. Anyway, enough about my, I'll get off the soapbox right now. So, here's our liquid of choice tonight. This is Knob Creek 9. Nice color to it. Actually, really beautiful color. The nose is woody. Kind of evergreen. Let's go ahead and taste some. Definitely getting some wood on the flavor. And it is in that run that everybody knows has. There it is. Wow. If you've had it, if you've had products from this distillery, you'll know the aftertaste of it is roasted peanut. And I mean, it's roasted peanut, maybe fried peanut. Anybody that's had fried peanuts should eat the shell too, which that I'm kind of getting from this. Kind of like because if you hadn't had fried peanuts, don't mock it, okay? Anyway. So yes, Knob Creek 9 is one that deserves a place on your shelf. If you like a nice, earthy, woody bourbon. If you're into sweet, maybe not your treat. Anyway, there's no such thing as bad bourbon. No such thing as bad whiskey. I'll stick by that for now. Y'all have a great day. I'm Paul. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications when I post another video. I'll be doing that soon too. Y'all be safe now.